crazy stuff out here. Dense out here. Sun's shining pretty bright. I've seen pictures, but haven't actually got to see the thing. But I guess we're about to find out. It's definitely an eerie feeling. Oh, there it is. Wow. It's crazy. It's like another little path. I guess we can take a look. Like there's a path right there. We'll go around the back. Not too sure it's gonna take us into it. Backtrack and let's see. I'm gonna drop these down, these cuffs. And let's take. This is even going. Some spider webs. Looks like this was once a door. They have since blocked it out. Sure if this just goes right back out on that path I was on. Take a look. That's what it looks like. Definitely. I got some spiders on me right now. It's alright. Just the only thing I'm afraid of. Whatever. Definitely cool. It would have been cool to get inside, but I'm not gonna crawl through that little hole, you know? Probably a dead body in there or something. Next thing I know, I'm gonna walk down this path and it's gonna lead me coming out right over here. I'm gonna be on some endless fucking loop, all Blair Witch style. With no cell phone signal. Bullshit, man. Movies are bullshit. This campground down there. I ain't going camping. I gotta get to Jeremy. Meet up with Mark. Get on some BMX. to the observatory, as you can see behind me. It's a pretty cool building. I did a little walk around already. Couldn't see anything, couldn't find anything of interest. You know, but it was fun. It's always worth checking out. On to the next adventure, you know. Just some really cool trees. I mean, they're basically everywhere. Hard not to be in awe of some stuff like this. Even though it's nothing compared to what a lot of people see on a daily basis, it's enough for me to really enjoy. Things like this, it's just really hard to complain about, you know? Just try to sit back and enjoy the ride. You know, even if you find yourself short on time, you're in a hurry, but you've never seen stuff like this. You know, if that person that you're late for doesn't understand this sort of thing, I don't know, man. Not too sure I want to have them in my life. You know what I'm saying? Just like that.